Me, Uncle Roy again. Unfortunately, once again, I don't have all my helpers. So I'm just going to do a simple one this week. I'm going to show you how to use a stud finder. Hey, this is a very simple, very cheap one. Generally, 10, 12 bucks at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you want to get one. They do have more expensive ones. You can get one, a couple $100 if you want to get a professional one. But this is really all you need. Okay. It's got this little notch right there so that you can take your pencil and put it right in there and helps you mark the right spot. And it says on their edge. That lights up when it's on the edge of the wood, and then it'll, put it on there. Okay, see it's green, ready, and you move it over. See, there it is. That's the edge. You put a mark. Now you can go from this side, and that's the other side of the wood. So a piece of wood is from this mark over to this mark. That's the width of it. Generally, when you're hanging something in the wall, you want to be in the middle of it. You don't have to, but that's going to be the strongest part. So depending on what you're hanging, if it's something heavy, you really should be in the middle. If it's just a picture or something like that, it probably won't matter. But if it's something heavy, a clock or something. Now, if you don't have a stud finder, you can use a hammer or just your hand and tap on the wall. Use a hammer. And the sound changes when there's a stud behind it, because the sheetrock bounces a little bit. When there's a stud behind it, there's no room for it to bounce, so the sound changes. Okay, same if you do your knuckles. See, it sounds hollow over here. There's more solid. So that's all you would have to do. You go all the way across the wall till it sounds different. That's where a stud is. Now, also, if you know where there's a stud, like if something's already hung on the wall, then you can just measure from that over 16 inches. But you would have to know that there's already a stud there. So, right there, 16 inches, so it should be another stud right here. Yeah. They always put studs 16 inches apart, or well, they're supposed to. Sometimes builders don't follow the rules, but they're always supposed to be 16 inches apart. So, there you go. That's how you use stud finder, or how you find a stud if you don't have one. And anybody has any questions or any ideas, just leave us a comment, and we'll see you next week.